What's good? This is Bird in the Stairwell. Go sit down, go. I gotta get this bird out. This is Bird in the Stairwell, take 2. I'm gonna try to get this bird out so I can go take my dog out. Sit. I'll come back, hold on. I will come back for you when the bird is gone. Cause I don't want you to get infected and all that, alright? So stay right there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shut up, Angus. Oh shit. This motherfucker is flapping. Oh shit. I got my handy dandy skirt, Mr. Big. I'm Mr. Big. Hey. Whoa. This motherfucker is so stupid it won't even go down the stairwell. I want to throw this bitch at it and kill the motherfucker. Since Brooke, hold on, let me swivel real quick. Brooke, since you call me a pussy, come do this shit. Come get you a Mr. Oh shit. Come get you a Mr. Big and get rid of this motherfucking bird. It's like a crow and a dove mix. I don't know what kind of motherfucking bird. Oh shit. I don't know what kind of bird this is. Alright, hold on. Oh shit, where'd it go? Oh shit. Should I call animal control? Oh shit, this motherfucker close. Oh shit. Alright, now you a dumb motherfucking bird for real. Don't go up, dumb shit. I will open up this damn window for him, but I don't know how to open the bitch. Oh shit. Hold on, let me fix my lens. If I had my water gun, I'd squirt this nigga with some water. Oh shit. Try to open up this window for him. Oh shit. I almost bust my ass. I don't know how to open these motherfucking windows. Relax. Hey. This nigga ain't listening. Told his ass to relax. I ain't got no kill switch, no button in this motherfucker to open up this window. Let's zoom in on this motherfucker. Stop moving. I'm trying to zoom in on your candy bitch ass, but you can't move it. What kind of fucking bird is this? It's like a dove and a crow mix with a little bit of cockatoo and and a parrot. Alright, that's enough attention. Let me zoom out this motherfucker before he get angry. Oh shit. I was gonna try to open up this motherfucking window for you. You can't, man, shit. Hey, but you can't move it. See, if I was an OG, triple OG, I'd just knock your ass out with this Mr. Big broom. Call it a day. Oh shit. The motherfucker lunged at me. Oh shit, my heart dropped. That made my nipples hard. Shit. Hold on, let me see if I can open this window from inside my house. Let's see if I can do that. Oh shit. Hold on, let's see. Open this motherfucker through. Hot as a bitch. It was just cold the other day. Oh shit. Damn, you can't even open this motherfucker from the other side. Damn. Damn, there's a fat ass fly. Look at it. What the kind of shit is that? That's a big ass fly. Shit, I left the door open. God damn it. All kind of monsters quit waiting to this house. I got to get the trash out too. Sit. Nigga, I said sit. That's right. Stay. I'm trying to help you out. Help you go shit. Where's my oh goddamn. I wish I'd just go down these motherfucking stairs. Go down these motherfucking stairs. These people going in and out their house as they please, and I'm playing hostage and shit. I'm being held captive, coming out my own motherfucking house. Oh shit. Hold on, don't act froggy. Hold on. Oh shit, hold on. Let's look and see. Anybody leaving? Oh shit. I'm about to show y'all something. I tried to bait that nigga to go fetch this. I had cooked the pizza earlier, and I threw that nigga pepperoni. But you can see he didn't. Oh shit, he rushed at me. Oh shit, time to get in the house. Oh shit. I wonder if my dog will scare that nigga. Let's see what my dog gonna do. But let me zoom out so I can get. Oh shit. Let me zoom out and see what's gonna go on. Oh shit. Hold on, let me get my Mr. Big. Come on. Ain't that about a bitch? Come here. Hey. Motherfucker. I'm gonna try this shit. My dog is all the way motherfucking downstairs and shit. Oh. Stay up there. Oh. Let me go. Shit. As you can see, we made it, and I'll post this on Facebook as soon as possible. Peace.